How to make dried fruit at home using your oven. Learn how to make your own dried fruit at home without any added sugar or preservatives. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your oven to do all the work for you. Hi there, my name is Sasha, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make delicious dried fruit at home using your oven. This is a great way to preserve fresh fruit and have it on hand for snacking throughout the week. You'll be surprised at how easy it is and how much better it tastes than store-bought dried fruit. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Making dried fruit at home is a simple and cost-effective way to enjoy your favorite fruits all year round. Here are the steps you need to take to make delicious dried fruit using your oven. Preheat your oven to the lowest possible temperature setting. Start by preheating your oven to the lowest temperature setting it offers, usually around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the heat will not be too intense for your fruits and cause them to burn instead of drying out nicely. Wash and prepare the fruit for drying. Rinse any dirt or debris off the fruit before slicing or dicing it into pieces no larger than 1/4 inch wide. Smaller pieces will dry faster and more evenly than large ones, so try to cut them as uniformly as possible for best results. Don't forget to remove any pits or seeds first. Place the prepared fruit on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure that none of the pieces are touching each other, otherwise they won't dry evenly and may even stick together when finished. Bake in the oven for 4 to 6 hours until completely dry. The time it takes for baking will vary based on how thickly you've sliced or diced the fruit, but generally speaking, it should be done in between 4 to 6 hours of baking at a low temperature. 175 degrees Fahrenheit, 79 degrees Celsius is optimal. Keep an eye on it every hour or two just in case though. When finished, allow cooling before storing in an airtight container. Once you determine that your dried fruit is completely dry all throughout, not sticky or wet, remove from oven and allow cooling before transferring into an airtight container or jar where it can remain fresh for months up to a year if kept away from humidity and direct sunlight exposure as much as possible. So, there you have it. Quick, easy, and healthy homemade dried fruits. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers and then watch this video to the left of your screen.